What is the one word for, preceding or in preparation for something more important? The correct answer is preliminary. What is the one word for, sounded or spoken in a tone unvarying in pitch? The correct answer is monotonous. What is the one word for, manage in a makeshift way, do with whatever is at hand? The correct answer is improvise. What is the one word for, something intended to deceive? The correct answer is hoax. What is the one word for, highly unusual or exceptional or remarkable? The correct answer is extraordinary. What is the one word for, wear out completely? The correct answer is exhaust. What is the one word for, in fear or dread of possible evil or harm? The correct answer is apprehensive. What is the one word for, a possibility from a favorable combination of circumstances? The correct answer is opportunity. What is the one word for, make sense of, assign a meaning to? The correct answer is interpret. What is the one word for, break down into components or essential features? The correct answer is analyze. What is the one word for, be amazed at? The correct answer is marvel. What is the one word for, shorten? The correct answer is abbreviate. What is the one word for, marked by prudence or modesty and wise self-restraint? The correct answer is discreet. What is the one word for, enlarge beyond bounds or the truth? The correct answer is exaggerate. What is the one word for, make less simple? The correct answer is complicate. What is the one word for, a positive feeling of liking? The correct answer is affection. What is the one word for, kill on a large scale? The correct answer is exterminate. What is the one word for, beyond or deviating from the usual or expected? The correct answer is peculiar. What is the one word for, a surrounding or nearby region? The correct answer is vicinity. What is the one word for, a crafty and involved plot to achieve your ends? The correct answer is intrigue.